we actually got a phone call from one of the project superintendents for one of the construction projects that we're at, that we needed to pick it up and get it up to 8 units a day. And so I met up with Ian, which is, our camera guy, operations manager, and we met up this morning. Before we left to go to San Diego, we reviewed all his new operations on what he needs to do on his new operations positions for the billing, for invoicing, for all that stuff, all the operations, like time cards for all the employees. We did a quick training, and I have my laptop right here in the truck. He had his laptop. We shot him over all the information, all the templates and everything that he was going to need, so I could transfer my responsibility of all that to him. So that was our first set of multitask. Then, in the mix of us on our way to San Diego, we actually got a phone call from one of the project superintendents for one of the construction projects that we're at, that we needed to pick it up and get it up to 8 units a day. And so I had to go check on that before leaving to San Diego. So what we did is we acted on that one. So we put out a fire. We ran over there real quick, because when I talked to one of our guys, site guys that are over there, he said he didn't have no power, meaning he couldn't vacuum, he didn't have a light in the bathroom. So that is holding him up. So I was able to go out there, drop off the light that he needed, talk with the site superintendent, make sure that he was all situated and he was happy. I walked 6 units with him, which were done, completed, final clean units, to make sure that he was fully satisfied. So before I left there, he wasn't upset, he wasn't frustrated, he knew that we had everything under control. We're on our way to San Diego because we have a big construction, not construction, but a facade cleaning, 1,500 unit hotel that needs to get walked so we can put together our proposal. The job is pretty much locked in. We already did a little test site. I wouldn't be driving all the way out here if it wasn't something that was locked in. We do a lot of business with these guys, hundreds of thousands of dollars a year with this same company. But here's what we're doing. On our way out there, it's an 1.5-hour drive. I need to make the best of my time. An 1.5 hours is fucking like forever. Like, if I'm not either cleaning, the only time that I will sacrifice multitasking is if I'm filling in as a laborer, if I'm filling in as a cleaner, and even then I try to figure out a way to multitask. When we first started making content for Overcomer Academy, I was cleaning and documenting video. But on our way out here, I'm going to make a phone call to follow up. I've already made 2 follow-up calls with clients that are prospective clients that want to do business with us while we're driving out to San Diego. Got the AirPod in, you drive, do a quick little thing, call the phone number. Now, all while we're doing that, on the way out there, we are documenting a video. So we're bringing value to you guys. Now, if I don't know if that what multitasking is, I mean, I don't know if this is not multitasking, I don't know what multitasking is. I mean, this is literally what it takes. And I just think a lot of people don't understand that. You know, they say, well, oh, John, well, I have to make calls all day, or I have to follow up with clients. Like, I'm in the field, like, I'm busy, I got things going on, and I'm not here to bust your balls, man, but like, dude, you gotta make it happen. You gotta do it all. You gotta do it all. You gotta figure out a way. And I'm not the most organized guy, but what I do is I take it as it comes. And where we are trying to get to, and honestly, this is kind of what you have to do in the beginning, is you have to take it as it comes. Now, in the future, what you're going to be able to do is get ahead of the stuff. So you won't have to react. You will already have everything worked out. Your operations manager will be handling everything, juggling. Your district manager will be running from task to task, helping put out fires. Your foremans will be out there doing their job. You'll have a sales manager that's informing you on what sales are happening. But in the beginning, you don't have the money, right? I mean, like, it's cool that everybody says, like, oh, hiring somebody is a good investment, okay? says hiring somebody is an investment. I agree. But what I don't agree with is that hiring people does not make you money right away. So if you're like me and you don't have money, okay, especially when you're first starting your business and all you got is $300 in your pocket, how the fuck are you going to hire somebody?